beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is MyLifeAsLoveline. So today we're going to be making popcorn in the kitchen. Oftentimes I've seen many people using a popcorn machine in making popcorn, but it's very easy to make it directly with your own pot. So what we need is just half a cup of popcorn, a little bit of vegetable oil, and a pot. So we are good to go. So let's dive directly into the procedure. Thank you. So the first thing we have is about half a cup of popcorn, vegetable oil. We're going to be using approximately, say, 4 tablespoons. So we're going to start by placing a pot on the stove and heating it up for approximately 2 minutes. Do this on medium heat, guys. So when you notice that your pot is a bit heated up, put about a tablespoon or 2 of vegetable oil. Make sure it spreads all over the bottom of the pot. So the next thing we're going to do is put approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of popcorn in our pot. You can glaringly see how distributed the popcorn is. So as we can notice, we have the first spawn. And then you swirl. Oops. So this is what we have. Beautiful. Transfer it into a heat resistant bowl. Beautiful. Add some granulated sugar and enjoy. Brown sugar, honey is still good. Have you guys a nice day. Bye bye.